Career barriers. That's our topic today. So every day I have a particular theme, and one of the theme was redefining boundaries. And then when I looked at it, there's a problem because boundaries, the way I was envisaging it, that's not the way it is used much. My concept of boundary is something that limits us from expanding and looking ahead and expanding our horizon, the way we work and skills that we have and everything. But boundaries are not used typically in that kind of a scenario. Boundaries are used saying that this is my boundary and I don't want you to come inside my boundary. So I think the ideal word or phrase to be used is career barrier. There are barriers for our career, just like boundaries. But when you say career barrier, I think it's more clear than when you say redefining boundaries. So we'll talk about career barriers. So what are those barriers that you have in your career? If you're starting out your career, there are a set of barriers that you have to overcome to move forward. In mid-career, there are a different set of barriers. And if you're late in your career, there is a different set of barriers. Now, there's always going to be some barrier or the other that impedes you in moving forward in your career. So, what we want to really talk about is what could be some of those barriers. We'll just talk about one today. It is knowing when to say no. And that's one career barrier. Because if you don't know when to say no, you will become a yes person. Not a yes person, you will have to say yes to everything that comes to you. And you will find yourself stressed, overloaded. But that doesn't mean that you go and say no to everything. You have to think, you have to be very rational, and you have to be very selective when you say yes. Which means that you might have certain time when you would become unpopular. We are not in a career for getting a cup in a popularity contest. We are there to do a job. We are to build our career. And as part of it, it's important for us to say no to activities that are not advancing our career or advancing the greater benefit of the team that we are working in, the organization that we are working in. Yes, we might have to say yes to certain tasks and jobs that we don't like to do, but it is important to be done. So you don't say yes or no based on what you want to do. You say yes or no based on what you think is important and what you think is realistically possible. For example, you've got so much overloaded with a lot of work and someone comes to you and say that you need to do this also. Yes, we would be in situations where we cannot say no. But when you say yes here, there is somewhere you have to say no or you won't be able to complete it. So there is no way that you can do every task that comes to you. But there is a way in which you can try to manage it. And that is trying to understand. If you think that you have a problem with no, if you have a problem saying no to some people or saying no to any person, or if you have a problem of saying no to everyone, and maybe that is the kind of character that you have come up in front of people within the team that, okay, you go talk to Vinod, he's always going to say no. You don't want to be that person either. But you also don't want to be the person on whose desk everyone keeps piling up their work. So these are conversations that you can have when someone comes to do work for you, and when you go and ask work to someone and they say no. So these are conversations that you can have, and conversations that can help you understand a few things. Help you understand the other person, help you understand what work we have to do, help you understand what the priorities are for you, for the team, and it also helps you understand what is the most important thing with reference to your career, now and for the future. So I think one of the most important thing in addressing career barriers is our ability to say no and say yes when it is really necessary. So I think that's what I want to leave with you as a message. If you want to be part of an active and productive learning community, join us at Pen Positive. Be content, be Pen Positive.